Alright, this is my new 2015 Ram 1500. Exhaust delete's the only thing I've done on it so far. And gonna do a cold startup to give you guys an idea of how sort of obnoxiously loud this can be. I'm definitely shopping around trying to find which exhaust I want to go with, because like I said, this is if you really like a really loud exhaust, then by all means just cut your muffler off, put a Y pipe in. But I think I want to tone this down just a little bit, because as you'll see, this thing is a beast sounding. Because I know my neighbors hate me. So as you can imagine, when I get out and I get on this thing,